Okay, got the engine warmed up, and today I'm going to show you how to change oil and filter on a 763 Bobcat. It's got the diesel Kubota engine, and the filter is located here, and the oil drain is here. It takes 7.5 quarts, so buy 8. I'm going to be putting in AMSOIL fully synthetic 15W40, and I'm going to put a link into right where I got this, so it makes it easy for myself next time. Next time I have to change the oil, I do this for myself. Need these two here, a 1-inch and a 7/8 inch. Okay, let's change that. The 1-inch went on first, 7/8 inch on second. Let that drain. And the filter that I'm using is a Wix 51068. And I also got that at AMSOIL too, right along with the oil. So always make sure to write the dates and the times that I change the oil on the filters, so that if I ever have any question, I can look back on it. I also put that information in the My Garage at AMSOIL.com. Then I get email notifications so that I know when I need to change the oil. So we'll let that drain. We'll come back in a second. Okay, now that we have the oil drained, it's time to finish tightening the plug. Again, the 1-inch first. And then I put my torque wrench on. And I'll put that at 40 pounds. The owner's manual doesn't say 40 pounds, but I've been doing 40 pounds for years. And plug has never come off, nor have I stripped the thread. So it's not too much and it's not too little. So let's get that 40 pounds in there. Okay. And the filler's right here. Pop that off. Throw the oil in. And that pretty much does it. Pretty easy changing the oil. Every 100 hours or every year, whichever comes fastest. That's the recommendations for the intervals between the oil change. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the next 6.5 quarts in. Put the stopper back on. We'll be good to go. Thanks for joining me. Have a good day.